Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G200 and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started you will want to hold your power key, and when you see your boot options, hold power off. This will, as you can see, change into reboot to safe mode. So message reads, do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So let's confirm it by tapping on OK. This will start the reboot, and while it's rebooting I'm going to quickly go over the safe mode and what this is kind of for. So when you put your device into safe mode, any applications that you have installed yourself through Play Store or by downloading the app and installing it manually will not be able to run. Only the default applications that come with the device will run normally, anything else cannot. And this is deliberately made so we can troubleshoot your device. So if you have some kind of problems with your device, put it into safe mode, and if that problem was caused by some kind of application that had malicious intent, that app cannot run anymore in this mode. So you can simply get rid of it, find it, whatever the case may be, you can fix the problem here. As you can see, widgets also don't function here, but every other application that you can see right here works just fine. You can discern which app can run normally and which one can't based on the color of it. So normal looking applications like everything that you can see right here can open up without any problem, but any kind of application that will have a monochrome look to it, so just like this faint grayish color to it and only that, well, then this app will not be able to run at all. Now anyway, once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you would need to do is hold the power key once again and select restart, which will boot you back into the normal mode. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.